and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This one is for November 2021, and I do have the two of them again still, so, but only for the normal glam bag. So, anyway, I love these little velour bags. They're so soft and so cute. I love this shade. They're so soft. Yes, very nicely done. Surprised they didn't do this for December, because it feels like a very, Christmas tree vibe to me, but whatever. So, Royal Treatment, November 2021. You're thrown away. Slather on ultra moisturizing formulas, adorn with accessories, and indulge in extra dessert, because this month, it's all about you. Oh, good. We actually have the info card. Pinkies up! We have a feeling that you'll fancy these 5 new glam bag products valued at $50 plus. So first thing in here is a deluxe sample size of Kinship Mint Mud Deep Pore Detox Mask. The full size retails for $23. Give your skin a deep clean with this fast-acting mask. It uses 2 stellar exfoliators, lactic acid, and jojoba oil beads that work together to help reveal smooth, radiant skin, while bentonite and kaolin clays help detox pores and balance oil production. Apply to clean, dry skin, let sit for up to 10 minutes, rinse with warm water. You know how I love me some mud masks, so I'm all about that one. From Transluce Beauty, we have the Grateful Soul Eyeshadow Quad. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $30. Meet your new go-to eyeshadow palette. Each of the matte and shimmer shades in this quad are inspired by Becky G's Latinx heritage. Plus, they're infused with softening Mexican blue agave nectar so they glide on like butter with zero fallout. Tip swipe shadows on alone or mix and match for a custom eye look. So our colors are... Where'd the little thingy go? I don't know. It don't matter. So, look at that. I am in love with those shades. And the color names are Light, Grateful, Bella, and Alma. But look at that blue. Look at that blue. I'm in love. Yes, I am. So, super stoked to have that one. Our next item up, I feel a brush, is by Bell & Argent, the Secret Power Concealer Brush. This is full size and retails for $16. Meet your new favorite multitasker. Use this one brush to cover, conceal, and touch up your makeup without smudging your look. Use it to apply color or clean up stray marks just where you want it. The soft synthetic bristles blend and build with minimal fallout. That is actually surprisingly soft. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's nice and tapered, kind of like a paintbrush. I love that. Yeah, that's pretty nice, especially for synthetic bristles. That's okay. Next, is it labeled what it is on it? Because I will never remember. Yes, okay, good. Because I never friggin' remember what brushes are what. I don't know. From Tarte Sugar Brush, we have the Cake Butter Whipped Body Butter. This is a deluxe sample size. The full size is $28. This Luxe Body Butter is your new nightstand necessity. This fluffy triple whip texture absorbs into skin instantly, while the blend of shea butter, macadamia oil, and sweet almond oil helps deeply nourish, smooth, and firm. Apply to clean skin, give a little extra love to dry spots like knees and elbows. Cake butter. Makes me think of Cake Beauty. Same vibe, same vibe. And the last one in this bag is from Sophia and Mabel Lip Slick Tinted Lip Oil in Beach Please. And this is full size. Retails for $20 friggin'. That is steep for that little bitty thing. This hydrating lip oil leaves your lips feeling kissable all day long. This conditioning formula stops dryness and chapping and gives your pout a plump and juicy finish. Plump and juicy looking finish, I can talk, thanks to a glossy sheer pink tint. Wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick or overnight as a nourishing treatment. Yeah, but then you'll smear pink all over like your nightstand, your pillowcase. So, okay, that was what was in the first bag. So let me stick the other products back in there for now. Boop. Alright, and then in our other one, oh good, we still have the info. So our first one is full size. It's by M2U NYC Makeup Blending Sponge in Lavender Rabbit. And this retails for $5. No more splotches, creases, or foundation lines. This super soft makeup sponge blends foundation, blush, highlighter, and more to an airbrushed finish for a picture-perfect glow. Plus, it's super easy to clean with a little soap and water. Dampen the sponge, then use it to apply face makeup in a bouncing motion. Boing, boing, boing. I like that. So, that's cool. Now that I know how to use makeup sponges, I appreciate that a lot more than I would have previously. We have a different Transluce eyeshadow quad. This one's in Beautiful Bella. So it says the same thing about it as the other one, so I'll just show you the colors. I think 3 of the shades are probably about the same. Yeah, we have Vibrant, Alma, Bella, and Hustle. So I think the main difference is the green one here. Oop. Oh, no, I take it back. The top 2 are different. The bottom 2 are the same. But that's still cool. And they can, like, play nice amongst each other as well with the other one. So that's cool. Alright. Down you. Okay. Then we have... Oh, speaking of the Cake Beauty Heavy Cream Intensive Body Balm. Like I said, speaking of. So this is a deluxe sample size. The full size is $8.99. This sweet-smelling lotion melts into your skin like butter. It soothes, smooths, and hydrates with aloe vera, coconut oil, shea butter, and green tea extract, and smells yummy without being over the top. Kiss dry winter skin goodbye. Massage it from the neck down for soft, hydrated, baby soft skin. Don't I have another one of that? Like, literally right here. I do. Okay. So between the two, I have something akin to a full size. Alright. Next, from Way, we have a detox shampoo. So this is deluxe sample size. Full size is $30. That ain't happening. Celeb hair guru Jen Atkin created this buzzy hair care line we can't get enough of. Whether you have coarse curls or stick straight strands, I really can't read today, this clarifying shampoo will remove excess oil and buildup from your hair and scalp with detoxifying apple cider vinegar. Tip, use this shampoo once a week in place of your regular shampoo for deep cleaning. I don't know if it's color safe, so I'll have to look into that. And then finally, which... this was my choice item. This is the Tenay's Liquid Kajal in Bengal Green. It's full size, retails for $28. Want to give your cat eye some flair? Then you'll love this dark green eyeliner. This formula is super saturated, long-lasting, and totally smudge-proof. Plus, the precise pen tip makes it easy to create the perfect wing with ease. Glide the tip of the liner along your lash line, extending the wing past the corner of your eye. So I think this is my first eyeliner pen in green. I've never had a green one in a liquid liner pen like that before, so that's really exciting to me. I've had black, I've had navy blue, I think I've had brown, and I think that's where my liquid liner pens end. So I am stoked to have a dark green one because I love green eyeliner, so that's going to be fun to play with. So anyway guys, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icons for, make sure you never miss an upload. Again, where is my brain today? I don't even know. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time. See ya.